Hey, this is Aussie Steve from Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're looking to purchase on the west bank of Jefferson Parish. It's a nice big house, but it's in pretty bad condition. But that's okay because we buy properties as is. We buy them in their current conditions, and we put in the time, effort, money to fix the properties up and flip them to a new owner or perhaps turn them into a rental. So it's okay, we do buy these things, and we pay cash for the properties, which means we don't need to get a bank involved, because obviously a bank would want to do an inspection and an appraisal, and obviously most banks are going to reject a house in this condition just due to the condition of it. But not us, we pay cash, so we are happy to buy properties like this and do a project. I'll show you around. Yeah, look, it's been vacant for a while, and the property's definitely seen better days. That room's not too bad, but you'll find it's had a fair bit of moisture out of it. You can smell how it's very damp in here. Obviously, full of lots of belongings and junk, and that's okay. We buy houses like that with the junk in it. We're happy to clean them out as part of the rehab. We're gonna get bins to dumpsters to fill them up anyway. You can see there's some issues here, but that's all right. We see potential. When we look at these houses, we're not buying it to move into ourselves. So for us, we really see the potential, and this could be a beautiful large property, and a new homeowner could really enjoy it. There's currently not any power on, so it's obviously pretty hard to list with a realtor and show the property to a homeowner. It really needs an investor like us to come in and purchase it and bring it back to its former glory. You can see, yeah, it's definitely taken a lot of water in here, and a fair bit of damage, but that's okay, because we buy properties like this all the time. So if you have a house that needs a bunch of repairs and you don't want to you can't be bothered fixing it up to sell it, and would just prefer to sell it all cash to an investor like us, then reach out to us. We'll be happy to have a look at it. We're based in New Orleans, but we buy all over Louisiana, particularly greater New Orleans area. So look, reach out to us. If you've got a property you want to sell, you can go to our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com, and give us a call or fill in our online form. Thanks, guys.